All right, so you go on Overleaf, and what Overleaf does is it's a website, hopefully a free website, it shouldn't charge you anything, which will automatically compile and produce the LaTeX document for us. Okay, what's LaTeX? LaTeX is a typesetting program. Just think of it's a different way of doing Microsoft Word, essentially, and it decouples the what you see is what you get. Basically, what you just type the content you want, and then LaTeX goes and makes it pretty for you, or at least attempts to. So we're going to click on New Project. We're going to go with blank paper.
Do you want to follow along, or you just do it?
I highly recommend you follow along. Oh, this is going to be hard to see because of my small screen. And I always forgot, there was a way to increase this.
I missed it. I was coding.
You were coding?
Yeah, I was coding.
So you can type your content here. Basically notice that this is what you type in LaTeX, and then LaTeX is going to create something over here. Now I've given you a template to start from. At least I hope I have. Let me double check I have. It's just template.tech. I guess I haven't. Let me go and push that. All right, good. So now you have that. Should be able to take this and go copy it all, edit, copy, and go over here. Just gonna take it all and Control V. Perfect. All right, when you type it, notice up here it's refreshing the preview, which should eventually give you what you're drawing. Okay. I really wish there was like a zoom in feature for this thing. All right. So let's go over here and look at the code, at least to see what's going on. I'm going to start at the top. This is, I call it the code. It's similar to coding. It's LaTeX. Anything that starts with a % is a comment, just like a / and C. So these are all just comments. Document class tells you what type of paper you are printing to. A4, that's okay. You probably aren't used to A4 paper. That's all right for now. You can put in different packages. These are like pound includes for C. Same thing with using package there. And then when you do begin document, this is where you're going to type it. Make sure you copy and paste all this in. This is what you'll need for your lab. And then this is the first example here. The best way I can think of to draw these B trees, and at least give you some examples with using LaTeX, is to use what they call an XY matrix, where you're going to have different cells, and you put in some value inside of a different cell, and then you can use something called /AR, which is an arrow, and that tells you where you want the arrow to go. I'm going to go in here. Note you do need the syntax correctly with the double $sign down there at the end and at the beginning with XY matrix. And I think this C point tells you how big it is, so if I made it 3, let's see what happens. It did make my arrow bigger. That didn't help. All right, I tried. So let's, these are just, so we got down and right. Let me go ahead and make this a little smaller, just so this is a little easier to read. There. And hopefully it'll refresh over there. That's because you don't want a double backslash at the end of this. I didn't like that. Runaway argument. Oh, yeah, stop that. Actually, I don't know what the problem is. Down and right. So there we are. Let's go ahead and stick with that. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and at least get started here with how I would recommend drawing these out for your assignment. So let's go ahead and do this class exercise. We're going to insert the following keys into the 5-way B tree: 3, 7, 9, 23, 45, 1, blah, 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 blah. All right. So the first 4 numbers, and this is a 5-way B tree. All right, so let me go ahead and type this up here. We are using a 5-way B tree. And then we want to first insert 3, 7, 9, 23. All right. By the way, double backslash means new line. First, insert, I already forgot the numbers, 3, 7, 9, and 23. All right, hopefully this isn't that bad. Let me go up here and save this off in case I forget. But we're doing, what is it? Let's go ahead and give it a couple spaces. 3, 7, 9, and 23. And that should just put it all on an array, and we should be good to go. 3, 7, 9, 23. Okay. All right. That's great. So next, after 3, 7, 9, 23, we're going to have 45. So next we insert 45, right? Good. Which would give us, and I'm typing this out so you can see the entire thing, because if I do this on the board, I have to erase way too much. Where would 45 go? After 20. Is this too hard to see the code, Richard, on the left? You got it? Okay, good. Hey, I don't know, okay? But should I ask Perry?
Huh? Yeah, it's good. It's readable.
Okay. But this violates condition 5, where leaf nodes should have no more than m-1 keys, because the root right now is a leaf node, and it has, m being 5, it has 5 keys as opposed to 4. So what needs to happen?
We need to move 9 up.
Right, so we need to promote 9. All right, so let's go ahead and get 9 up there. Ooh, I should add some more spaces here. Here we go. So, and. All right, so 9 needs to be promoted. All right, we'll put 9 right there. Remove 9 from here. Oop, I'm in insert mode. Okay. So we got the 9 above, but we need to draw the arrows. And let me see, how was that done? \AR. So we do \AR dr, and well, just down, yeah, down and right. See what that does. For the, oh yeah, right here, that would be problematic. All right, so the 9 goes to the 23. Great. And I don't know if it allows me to do this. What if we do down and left? So notice D means go down, L means left, so forth and so on. So we need to go left twice because we need to mark that we're going to that 3. Whoops. And let's go ahead and fix some of the spacing so it looks good.
Do we need to mark like the left? Point to the left?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. We got I did D left left. There we go. So now, yeah.
So it does matter like where you point exactly.
I think it's clear if you point to the first element of that whole array, then you know where it is. And we have the spaces to separate.
I see.
Yeah, oh yeah, let me scroll down. So the way the arrows work, \AR for arrow, down, left, left. Obviously it's going to start where it is, and then it's going to end where your D, LL, and everything else is located. All right.
Why is there's so much space?
Oh, you mean around it?
Yeah. and
That's
there's
because it's about ready to get really wide.
that and like between the 7 and the 23.
Oh, that's so you know that they're different arrays. You know that it's not just one array, it's two separate blocks on the disk. It's the best way to think about
Why
it.
there's so many leading ampersands?
That's how you delineate between every cell. Oh, because I know it's about ready to happen, we're going to keep adding more and more cells, so I know to just go ahead and put them in now. Okay, after the 45, what are we going to do? 1, 5, 14. Let's see. Add 1. Let's see. Where would the 1 go? Left of 3. So it'd go right here. We need to add another L here so that the arrow gets updated correctly.
You have to like write up every single time we add the value. Can you have a new diagram?
Right, yeah, you have to update the arrows. That's correct. But you can copy and paste the rest of it. Let's see, would adding the 5 mess anything up? Nope, so we can add the 5. Where would the 5 go?
Between 3 and 7.
Yeah, between the 3 and the 7.
Okay, so as long as it's so you can do more than you can add more than one number in one step, I guess.
Yeah, I'm showing adding more than 1. I guess I can make them separate if that would help y'all.
Well, I mean,
Sure, I mean, that's why we did code. There we go. So there's that. Add 1, we're good.
but do we have to do it in our lab?
It's in your best interest too, just because you haven't done this before. It's like not showing your work in math. I mean, if you're right, you're right, but if you're wrong, I'm not going to be able to award partial credit.
So the spaces between the ampersands, is that
That's when I'm looking at it, so you can tell. It's easy to tell that this is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth. It's just easy to tell. It knows that this has a lot of space because we have all these arrows. That's okay. It's just to help you see the columns. That's the only reason I type it out this way. So I probably should add some. Use a space instead of my mouse. There we go. Okay. What comes after the 5? 14. All right, where's the 14 go?
Before 23.
All right. Everyone following?
Sort of.
You okay, Leroy?
Super early.
It's too early for this.
No, we had punishments on top of workouts, so we had to wake up at 5 o'clock to run, just to run afterwards.
25. Where's 25 go?
Between 23 and 30.
Yep. All right, the next comes 24.
So 24 would be the one promoted.
Yep. So 24, it needs to go over here. But that violates condition 5. So we promote, what do we promote? Yeah, we end up promoting 24. And then we have to put in our arrow. Where's he gonna go? He's gonna go down. 1, 2, 3. Should be 3 R's. Let's see if we did that right. Yep. So we add the 24 when the middle violates condition 5. We promote 24 up, and there it is. How's everyone doing?
That sound.
Yeah, LaTeX is a little weird at first, but it ends up being very helpful. I mean, I'm just able to copy and paste and show every step I'm doing, which is very nice and going to be very helpful for your lab as you try to fix everything that you do.
So is this what you use to write the PDFs to your labs?
When I do PDFs, yes, I use LaTeX to do it, something called Beamer, and then it just comes out nicely. I usually use that if I can't find someone else's slides on the internet.
Fair enough.
Get more done with less work, right?
Yeah, yeah. I'm not going to reinvent the wheel.
If they feel like it's good enough to publish, then it's probably good enough for you to
All right, so next we're going to, what are we adding? We added the 24, so now comes the 13. All right, where's the 13 go?
Before 14.
Yep, before the 14. All right, things are going to start getting a little weird. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm on a very low resolution. Hopefully on your screens you can make it go nice and wide. But if it helps you, I need to keep in mind that your line number is over here on the left, so notice that line number 95 continues on to the next line. And then it's all set up. Did we get it right? Yeah, we did. Sweet. All right, what comes next?
I don't even know what comes before.
I have it all written out for you. Now we have to add 11.
I can read
So
it.
go before 13.
Yeah, it goes before 13. Sweet. All right, we're still good? Yeah, I think we're still good. Yep. This next one will, well, no, maybe not. 11, 8.
So that will
Yep, now we gotta promote 5. All right. So normally that would put 8 right here. And let me make sure all my arrows are correct. We need to add another right, whoops. Another right here. And another right here. But that violates condition 5. So we, let me type condition correctly. So we promote, which one we're promoting, 5? Yeah. Make sure the number come out right. Oh, we're on multiple pages now. Yep. Well, yeah. Okay. All right. So 5 needs to go up here. So we get rid of that thing. He doesn't need to go as far left. I think he only goes 2 left or 1 left. And then we need another AR. He probably just goes, where are you? You go into 7, so you need to go down. 1, 2, 3. refreshing.
2 wells.
There it is. And it looks like there's missing a space here, so let's go ahead and add that between the 14 and the 23. Nope, need to go over one more. There we go. Okay. How's it coming? Not so good? I'm sorry? Very well. Well, I am going to give you this code, by the way, so I'm not just throwing some, you know. Also, I'm recording.
Yeah.
I was like,
You lost me at 5.
Add 5.
I made it to add 14.
Who's got the highest score?
Who's got the highest score? All right, now, what did we just finish adding? 8, so we're going to add 19. Where does 19 go? So it's between the 9 and the 24, so we're going to search between the 11, the 13. Yeah, the 11, the 13, and the 14. Wow, this needs to be a... There we go. 11, 13, 14. So it's going to go after the 14 because it's a 19. So it's going to go right here. And we add an extra block there, and we're going to have to update this to have another right arrow. Perfect. Okay, good. All right, so we add the 19. Now we need to add 4. All right, where's the 4 go? After the 3. Okay. So we need to add another left right here. This needs to go over here.
What's the B stand for in B tree?
You know, I don't recall. Yeah, it's not binary. And then this. Okay, let's see if that updated everything correctly. Because it shifted everything else over. Oh, went a little too far left.
Why can't you just draw the arrows? Why is there a thing to just draw an arrow?
This is a PowerPoint.
This is not what you see is what you get. This is give me the content, I'll make it pretty.
This is not
Why did they make it
PowerPoint.
10 times harder?
I'm sorry?
There is a manual version of what is
That allows you to manually tell it to update itself. So I'm just letting it automatically refresh itself.
Okay.
All right, so we added 4. That was great. What comes next? 31. All right, where's 31 going to go? At the end. Oh, I answered my own question, but that's all right.
Good job.
So we have the 31. Add 35.
After 31.
Yep. 31, 35. Yeah, so yes, after the 30. Yep. 35, and all right, and then for the final grand finale, 36, which goes at
Wait, it's 30.
30? 56. Goes at the very end. Let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. An extra space snuck in there. Or sneaked in there. Oh, I know. Actually, there's something else messed up.
Why is there 6?
Why is the 23 not over there? Hmm.
Yeah, I think at one point you were supposed to put the 14.
Yeah, when did the 23 get right there? That's not where the 23 needs to be. Ooh, we totally failed.
So it's
Add 8. All right, so add 8. Add 8.
After add 19, you're supposed to promote 14.
Right. Well, hold on. We got a bigger. So at add 13, it was still fine. All right, so we need to go back and fix that. This will be fun. Add 13. That's where we need to go right one more. And then here. So add 11 should then be okay. Add 13. There we go. That's better. Add 11. That's better. And then add 8. Again, needs 2 R's. Oops. Oh, this low res screen. There we go. Add 8. All right. Add 5. Condition. Oh yeah. So we need to update this next one. All right. I see what I did wrong. And here you need 2 more R's. And this one, this is where the 23 magically went over to the, I don't know how that happened. All right, so let's see if add 4 is correct. Ooh, not quite. So we are going 1 too many up here. All right. There's that 8. $25 should be going to the 23. No, it should be going 25. That's good. And then yeah, here's where things got weird. Add 19. All right.
So for some reason there's a space between.
Yeah. Yeah, how did what? Okay, so that's still fine, and then we add 4 over here.
Well, after 19 you have to promote 14.
No, do we? Hold on.
Hold on.
1, 2, 3, 4. We're still good. So add 19. Let's go look at that. Add 19. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. You are correct. There are 5 of them in there. We got to promote 1. All right, so we got to start at 19. That's where everything got messed up. There we go. So add 19. Violates. I misspelled violates. This violates condition 5. So we promote. Which one are we promoting? Should be 14. Okay. Let me delete all these since they're not right. Trust me, this is way messier on the board. I know it seems like a lot of work here, but it is really hard on the board. So where's the 14 going to go?
It's going to go between
14 needs to go between the 9 and the 24. Yep. Does everyone see that? All right. So this 14, remove, goes between the 9 and the 24. All right. So, oh, did I guess correctly? Oh, almost. Nice! Oh, I just got to update the other one. Wow. All right.
So then the last one you have to also like add a new element, so that makes sense.
There we go. I'm sorry, what's that?
well then in the last one when we add 56, we promote a value and then we have to promote it again.
Yeah, that would be why it worked this way. Now this makes way more sense. All right, after adding, that was 19, right, we add 4. Boom. That would go right here. Oh boy. Which means this guy, he needs to just go down, and then everyone else needs some extra R's.
But are you does that help us?
Hmm? Actually, no, it does not. Make sure that came out right. Yep. All right. Oh wait, sorry. Were you still?
I'm just confused since the pointer from 9, the one pointing to the left of 9, it just looks like it's pointing.
Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, this isn't perfect, but I think you can still decipher what's going on from the picture. Okay? I got it. All right. And now, what comes next? After 4 comes 31. Good, I'm glad it's adding it to the end. So that goes between the 25 and the 46. All right, great. Next was 36, right? 35. Whatever, numbers. Oh, I didn't like that. Oh, I didn't copy that. Yes, thank you. And then last, we add 56. Let me make sure that looks correct before we continue on. Okay. Yep, looking good. Do we have a problem? Yeah.
Promote the 35.
Yeah, so this over here has too many elements in it, so we need to promote the 35. All right. There's a 35. Where's the 35 go in the whole list? Because we have 5, 9, 14, 24, so it's going to go after all of that. And then we still need, and now my low resolution is going to make things really hard to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, if I calculated that correctly. Well, hold on, one step at a time. Oh, I definitely did not give that enough R's. Wow. Okay, let's, where is the 34? Oh, okay. Thank you. How many more do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I have like also 2, 3.
There we go. Are we done?
No, because we have to promote 14.
And now we gotta promote the 14. Exactly. Oh, man. Okay. Looks like we're gonna have to make a new row. trying to remember how this. Okay, this is where things get weird. We have the arrow to the left of 5, between 5 and 9, and to the right of 9. Then we need to add a space here, where to signify this is a new block. Since we added another space, we don't need as many rights.
Do we need as many arrows? Actually,
Yeah, we're going to still have the same number of arrows, it's just a different block. So let me make sure I got that looking correctly first. Yes, so those are pointing to the correct things. They're 2 separate blocks. Now we just need to hook up the 14 to those 2 guys and we'll be good to go. I need to see this picture because I can't even see it.
There's one before 5. then
Oops.
one between 5 and 9.
So we just need to go left once.
Then one between 9.
And actually, let me move this over to this section.
So if we go back to the picture.
And then we'll add the other
I
arrow.
think it's just since it's still in the process, there's an extra pointer right now.
See how there's one right after 9? Then
Yep,
there's
not
one
quite.
before 24.
Yeah.
Once 19,
Yeah.
23, that should be shifted. At least.
Oh my goodness, there it is.
Yeah, it might be point to 7, 8, 11, 13.
All right, let's see what we got. All right, that's looking good. So you have the root node that points to its 2 children. The left has its 3 children and 2 elements, and the right one has its 3 children with its 2 elements. Yes.
So, yeah, it seems like there are one extra arrow above there.
Yeah, because like 19 points to 11 and 13, but then there's another arrow saying that if it's less than 24, point to 19 and 23. Shouldn't that be the same arrow?
All right, if you're trying to find 13, less than 14, greater than all this, you go to this array and you find it. If you're trying to find 19, you go 14 greater than, it's less than all this, so you go to the first block, there's the 19 and the 23.
I misread that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
All right, everyone good? Ryan's got this. Okay, now that we don't have much time, let's talk about delete.